It seems that your endeavors to inflict harm upon him and bring him down are commencing to prove futile. So this and similar processes are like the outward-facing side of a person's life, which are open to others' interventions and subject to ridicule in our showcase. Certainly, among all these, there is absolutely nothing as sacred and revered as mocking for the sake of Allah, and there is truly nothing as valuable and esteemed as being mocked for the sake of the Almighty. But people are not only inclined to mock each other for the sake of Allah, Murat, they are also prone to mocking each other in normal, ordinary, everyday matters. As long as they see themselves as strong, they think they can crush someone else, intervene with their words, and hurt them, and inform them that they will not encounter any punishment or repercussions for it, that their actions will be without consequences. When it comes to intelligence, the origin of intelligence is derived from the power and strength that one possesses. There can be no sense of justice, there is a sense of power and strength. I have a lot of power, so I can put this pressure on you. I have many resources in this regard, I have an advantage. Usually there is financial superiority, physical strength, physical power. And based on these, they rejoiced in the knowledge they had, and what they used to mock became true for them. The Almighty has such a thing as knowledge. Knowledge is power, my friend. Based on this, they became arrogant and launched a counterattack. They replied with a clever comment. They perceived it as insignificant. They were not concerned.